So we have a whole range of ways to look at those tasks within the project we just created. Let's start by jumping into here. So we're in the Jira project for B1 right now. And Jira Work Management has some really unique capabilities which you won't find in Jira software. For example, this list view. It's pretty much very similar to spreadsheet. The beauty of it is that you can edit all the information right here in line. You can just have the same way of opening the issue. Then you also have the options to filter your issues and group. Let's say I want to group them by assignee. So you see, you have this tree view, or by status, or by category. So we're going to talk about categories. We can apply some additional filters here, like components, for example. We would have only time billable here. Okay, so our next view, and by the way, we have them all here embedded. So this is just some additional widgets. What you see in Jira, you also see in Confluence, exactly as it is. So here we're opening calendar view, also another one which is unique to Jira, unique to Jira Work Management. So, and highlighted the colors: blue if it's in progress, red if it's overdue. We can turn on and see all the done issues as well. Here we go. Of course, we can go to any of them and arrive back to the Jira, just where we were right now. And let's, again, this has some filters, right? And there's also an option to schedule from here whenever you have created a task, but it's not been placed on the calendar. You can just drag and drop it here. Timeline, next view. So we're seeing all the same issues and all the same tasks, just in different views. So this is very similar to a roadmap in Jira software projects, and you would also have the option to add the subtasks, and here you can use this inline adjustment capabilities and also put the dependencies. Standard filters here as well. Okay, now let's go to the more traditional board view. What is different about it here is, in Jira software we're used to have it like this. So we have the statuses and the tasks are being moving from left to right until they're done. And here you can do suddenly a very different grouping, like again billable and non-billable, or place them by assignee. I think that's really handy, really cool, and you can filter them again. You can customize what you see on the card. So those are the view options of our project. There is another page that might be worth looking at, the summary, that gets automatically created as soon as you create the project. But we are not going to use that for analytics, and this is very basic. You also have this traditional issues view of filter, just like in Jira software. Finally, a couple more things to note. You have here all those business projects listed. That's very convenient to jump from one to another. And another thing that you can control the background color, and that's a very handy visual sort of clue. When you have to jump among multiple projects, it's going to help you to find your way quicker. So let's say we want all the A2 or all the projects for a customer to be whatever, blue, or let's just keep it this pink color. But when you jump into B, brand co-customer, you have it this color, so let's make it same. Or when you jump into internal projects, you have something else, right? So this is just a nice feature too. And now we're back to the Confluence space for B1. Just a couple more views that I'd like to show you. The filter view, it is actually built with an app which is paid, but is very affordable and very nice. The issues pulled up from the project, you can do a mix of issues from different projects by using filters. Then you wrap it up into this widget called charts, table filter and charts. And you can just have extra capabilities on filtering. And with the same app, one more view, perhaps somebody is very much into pivot tables, so you can play with this here. It's very basic, but it is very similar to pivot functionality. So let's say you want it by category and you want them by assignee and time spent, right? Whenever we filter on any of those columns, this gets updated as well.